If you have switched your Instagram to a professional or business profile and now want to go back to your personal account, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, launch your Instagram, then navigate to your profile page. Now click on three bars given at the top right corner. With that, you will be directed to Settings and Privacy page. Now scroll down. You're gonna find the option of Creator Tools and Controls over here. You'll need to click on that. Now click on the option Switch Account Type. Here you'll see two options. Simply tap Switch to Personal Account at the top. A confirmation prompt will appear. So just tap Switch to Personal Account again to confirm. Your account will now revert from a professional or business profile back to a personal one instantly. And that's all it takes. You have successfully switched your Instagram account back to a personal account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.